Every second on the road matters. Today, I'm showing you a smart upgrade that protects you while driving and even when your car is parked. If you drive every day, this is one accessory you shouldn't ignore. The GKU D600 4K front and rear dashcam gives you crystal clear 4K recording in front and full HD in the rear, so nothing on the road is missed. With a wide 170-degree view, night vision, and WDR, it captures sharp footage day and night. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi lets you instantly view and download videos to your phone using the app. Perfect for insurance claims or evidence. It also features loop recording, G-sensor crash detection, and optional 24-hour parking monitoring to protect your car even when you're away. Compact, easy to install, and reliable. This dashcam gives you real protection and peace of mind. Check the link in the description to see the latest price. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more smart car upgrades, and check the link below to see the GKU D600 for yourself.